Hi, my name is Laura Okolo. I'm based in Houston, Texas. I work with Transitional Healthcare of America, and I want to say welcome to JAD Pro Live 2025 at the Gaylord National Harbor here in Maryland. I taught at the hands-on skills workshop for bone marrow biopsy and aspiration. And it is so important as advanced practice providers that we learn as much as we can to be able to help our patients and give them the best opportunity and experience that we can. Here at JAD Pro, you have the opportunity to practice with mannequins and learn from other colleagues with a wealth of experience to be able to take that back into practice and have a good opportunity to explain this with your patient and give them the best outcome and best procedure that you can give. In bone marrow biopsy and aspiration, you have the opportunity to actually learn how to identify the appropriate landmarks that you would want to take in order to get a good aspiration and a good biopsy. And it's very important that you take the time to work with your colleagues and learn from other advanced practice providers so that way you can go and experience this with your patient and other colleagues to give them the best opportunity to get a good sample. And it can be a little bit scary when you're first out there learning how to do bone marrow biopsies and aspirations, but I will say this, take your time, give yourself grace, be confident and do it safely. And here at JAD Pro Live, you'll have the opportunity to do that so that way when you go into practice, you too can be successful.